The safest way to defrost salmon is in the fridge. About 12 hours before you plan to cook your salmon, take it out of the freezer and remove any excess packaging, so it's wrapped in just one layer of plastic or foil. Set the fish in a shallow bowl and place it on a flat surface in your fridge, preferably away from other foods that could soak up the smell of the salmon as it thaws. After 12 hours, take the salmon out of the fridge and cook it immediately. If you're in a hurry, skip the fridge and place the frozen salmon in an airtight plastic bag. Then put the water in a large bowl or sink basin filled with cold water. This technique usually only takes about half an hour, but if it takes longer, change the water every 30 minutes. Once the salmon is thawed, remove it from the water and cook it right away. For an extra quick defrost, unwrap the salmon and put it on a microwave-safe plate lined with paper towels. Place another layer of paper towels on top of the fish. Set the microwave to defrost and microwave the salmon for 4 to 5 minutes for every 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms of fish. Halfway through the defrost time, take the fish out of the microwave and turn it over. When you're done, let the fish sit on the counter for another 5 minutes to finish defrosting before you cook it.